In this video, we are going to see the structure of lithium atom. Symbol of lithium is Li. Its atomic number is 3. In this atom, 3 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Among the 3 electrons, 2 electrons are present in the K shell. The rest of the 1 electron is present in the L shell. We know that nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. In lithium atom, 3 protons and 4 neutrons are present. So from this protons and neutrons we can calculate mass number. Mass number of lithium atom is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. This is the mass number of lithium atom.